No, ladies, no, not particularly something as inspiration. I know, say, alright, you are going with that all up yourself. Because if Auntie Rena wearing kind of panty here, warm to it. Auntie Rena, in our 80s, no, sir. People, when I take something as an inspiration, we have to learn from it something here. Ladies, backside. Auntie Rena look her husband clothes. Hey, anybody not look their husband clothes and then we go out? I don't know if you say. See there? The lady look her husband clothes. See there? I love that. Oh, you mean? Now, so girl, I go start look my clothes then. Then something I jealous of business. Backside, the bad man kick in.
Bad man.
Hey, girl. Yesterday, something where I go on. There's something, watch ya. Backside. No, sir. Father God knowing that if you say, alright, this lady deserves her husband. So I got husband her. No, sir. Me I tell you.
Watch you come and bite up the door.
Yeah, man, you alright, man. Wow. Sight! I didn't lie for you, don't you live? I didn't lie for you, don't you live?
I said that you go.
And that's why I see young boy come out in a young. So I this a year clothes. No, sir. No, sir. Christmas and now, man. No, sir. Look what something else. Me saying that them here too much now, man. Look something else, man. You hold it for clothes.
Clean,
Me know, I hold it more clothes backside. Could you pant it up? Me not even I could see. No, ladies. No, not particularly something as inspiration. I know, say, alright, you are going with that all up yourself. Because if Auntie Rena wearing kind of panty here, warm to it. Auntie Rena in our 80s, no, sir. People, when I take something as an inspiration, we have to learn from it something here. Ladies, we have to learn from it something here. Alright? Come, go look close.
This is army pants, you know.
We see an army pants already. Come, go look close. Yeah,
clean.
hey, she have a whole heap of clothes. No? Suppose you see how much clothes that this lady have. Come, we go look close.
Then clean.
No worry yourself. So then when you're there so dirty,
What?
where we are going on now?
No.
Exactly. So don't worry yourself.
What this clean?
Hold on, make a turn the camera. Come.
And
I put just start tonight.
that clean.
Number 1 week special.
No, me say that clean and wash.
Alright, so this is a lot. No, what happened there? Jeans, we hold it back. Jeans, I hold it back. Wanna say pants, dress. Wanna say for wear. Come we ask them. Wanna say she for wear dress or pants. Come right here, sir.
The pants then wear up.
Backside, they say pants and wear. So no put no pants tonight. Don't make sure tell them that. Say pants and wear up.
You say no pants.
All of them wear.
They say your panty nice. Rosemary say your panty nice. Watch out. No, sir. Alright, pants. One to pants, one to dress. So we could say again, 2 set pants.
2 set pants.
Yeah, 2 set pants, 1 set dress.
Pants better.
What it? You say me not to wear that.
Yes.
Army pants. That's
When my dad 10 foot better.
Dress. Everybody say dress. Come.
dress.
Yeah, majority say dress.
Dress.
Yeah, majority say dress. So I could look at nice dress.
That's style.
Alright. You never wear this yet?
Yeah, me wear it. One time I was beach there.
Alright, no worries. Right
The
there,
front
right
short and the tail collar style.
there. Okay.
See,
Alright. So see the nice dress here. See the nice dress here.
And the front short and the tail collar.
So this shall wear later, alright? Yeah.
And that is what we wear. So we not wear no pants then.
So this will be a nice dress. Yeah, nice dress. So majority vote and then say dress. So we have to work with majority. Majority said dress, right? Yeah.
I take this short front. A style.
Alright. So you can go back down here. Me would have bright to change your husband clothes. To say, alright, husband not wear that. Me not bright out of my mind.
Well,
So me not do that. So me I'll leave you, make you do your thing. Yes, sir.
well,
Feel the part.
yes, you can wear that.
Yeah. Gail, you hear that? Fuck that, Gail. Gail.
I want you to listen what you say.
Yeah.
What you say.
No, me have to like look my clothes on too.
I was sorry you say to wear this. A stylist. Or way that will be split out of this.
No, spit out the side.
You would have to go with short and
Yeah. See this something, yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Well, alright.
Tonight are nice. Tonight I got nice. Trust me, tonight I got nice. Last night did nice, but I couldn't get to intervene the way more intervene because my head did hurt me.
Mm-hmm.
My head did hurt me, but can jump the beat in my head, but cup of water,
Why people with you?
Panadol Ultra, good night's sleep, yeah. First cock crew I'm up. Yeah.
Not late. We late by the time we go down, cock no crow. How much I got that?
Alright peeps, everybody, good evening, everyone again. Good evening. We are starting the marathon for the team members today. No means say alright, me I come here and say alright, today marathon and I eat that. No. We are go until Friday.
Oh,
We are going until Friday. So we have today, we have tomorrow, and we have Friday. Alright? Coming Friday, we want to cook some food. For matter of fact, starting, well, me the feed boil some soup tonight, but it's not going to work. Because tomorrow Gospel Thursday, Tomorrow we look for some sandwich, everybody roll in and then get some. I may cook something tomorrow. But Friday, we want to do a general cooking down there. Alright? So, I start the marathon today. Okay? So, all of my God bless people and will love each and every single one of the team members them who love the platform. Who, alright, Father God, I say, alright, here we go ahead. Time is the time. I ask you please on a roll out. Alright? I want to go write down everybody's name on the envelope. So, when am I get it? They might forget it before Christmas. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No Sunday. Well, let me see. No, let me see.
Wednesday.
But now I say when it I go run. But it I go run before Christmas, because the place busy and
What?
everyone full up, so it take a while to clear.
It's for no Wednesday or Christmas.
Yeah, next week Wednesday. Remember next week Wednesday Christmas dinner. Run on me yard. It have to do by weekend, so I'm gonna try my best to sort it out by Saturday. So everybody get through Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Everybody get through Monday latest. And guys, after Friday, we're not have no show until the 25th. Alright, the 25th, I gonna have a Christmas dinner. I personally keep a Christmas dinner for the team members then. Yeah, we gonna cook. Everybody has just something nice. We put out table, chair. We sit down, we eat, we drink, we reason as a family. Yeah. Most of them now know we go Christmas Eve, Yeah, so full family them, my family. And sister, I love them, so. Special lady. And Miss Carnival I come down to. Yeah, Miss Carnival for their Christmas dinner. Miss Carnival say Christmas, you want me Christmas? Pastor want me New Year's. Oh, no want me, so. Hey.
Pastor that.
Eh?
Which pastor?
No, fear pastor. So everybody want to roll out. Who not have it for do it today, it's okay. We have until Friday. So all who their work want to ask on the team members, not team members, so co-workers. Yeah, man, make them know what I go on, make them know the great work we have done, make them know the joy we bring to these people life. We don't know if to tell them. Alright? If a matter of fact, I'm gonna make a video phone to tell them. Alright? I'm gonna make a video phone now. So when I just play this and make them here. Hold on, line up on the screen recorder now.
When the sun shine on my eyes, you like.
Look, everything alright, guys? Also, you know, if you put on a pretty face. Hello, good afternoon, my fellow co-workers. My fellow co-workers from the person who introduced you to this video. My name is Noel, also known as TikTok Boss. I was placed on this earth to take care of less fortunate people, elders, and also children. Okay, I'm asking for a contribution, or should I say a donation, towards my team members. Yeah, the ones that came out at night after night after night and bring entertainment. Not only they bring entertainment, they do it with love, they do it with passion, they do it with joy, with the comfort and the love of you guys. Alright, so all who don't know about this platform, you're gonna know about it now. But for you guys I'm talking right now, I'm asking for a donation towards my team members. Okay? The information is right here. Yeah, we have the Zelle, we have the Cash App, and you have the contact number to contact me. This is my contact number. So if you say, alright, Chuck, I yell at the boss, reason we need to advise towards the coming year, you can call me on this number too, okay? Yeah, so go ahead and make your donation by the grace of God. Or should I say with the good heart of yours. Okay? Thank you very much. You're truly T-Nation Boss / CEO Noel Young. God bless you guys.
No, young.
Alright, so now play the part they make on the co-worker them here. That's for the co-worker them. Okay? Play that. I'm blazing, you know.
I'm blazing.
Yeah.
When there, you come?
Yeah, blazing.
Yeah. So,
Eh?
no.
Yes, man.
He can walk.
You might hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
No, I'm not here. I'm gone.
No, he's gone.
Go see it.
I kill
I
him.
saw it like I'll blaze it James Bond.
I kill him.
Okay, thank you very much.
No, we're not
Yeah,
figuring
God bless you.
when? Which night? Tomorrow night?
Alright.
Tomorrow night.
Let me sit down now and relax yourself.
What's tomorrow night? Fire night?
Yeah. Tomorrow full force. All who absent from prayer tomorrow now get an envelope.
That we are going from prayer, we not get no
No,
envelope.
I burn my dove tonight.
So we not get no envelope.
No, you may talk to Rena. Why you not get no envelope?
We have
So when
you call me a
So,
star.
I don't so it up go and see him.
Everybody say me. You
Don't
know,
we?
Don't I yard?
Yeah. That's what can go on a bar.
You forget
you
some
don't know,
Christian
sir,
music,
how far the
man.
yard you
Yeah, yeah.
go with it. Oh, gosh, we can't
You
keep
forget the
them
man
out.
get some Christian music, man.
The DJ bad down guys.
We are gonna get
But for
picked
sure.
up now. Eh?
Everything good until Rena, man. Me have everything under control, man. You always have worry about something, man. Everything good, okay?
I want to take this on 30.
Alright, so number one, we have Courts Lady.
Now just some pretty something there.
Look how I'm good, because you can make it.
Alright. Alright guys, here we go on. You see with me now?
He come
Me get my Christmas
come
present
like
already.
a Sunday cup these days.
Me get my Christmas present already. See my phone here. See it here, remember I told you guys I want a Samsung Galaxy
Like a flower
Ultra
pot, like,
24.
you see something,
Yeah.
I didn't
The
go
good Lord reached out to one of my wonderful donors and she
go at night.
sent it to me. Boy, if you ever know me glad for this. Me glad for this, me glad for this, me glad for this. Me I tell us I want to have a better quality. It's a quality upgrade. You notice how last night pretty? Yeah. And tonight I got prettier. Alright? Yeah. So big up Star Apple. You have enough to call her name. Star Apple. God bless you. Alright? God bless you again. So let me get my Christmas gift. Alright, so my second Christmas gift. You know you don't want to do over but nothing. Look on our ear, but you want to do
No,
over.
it want to fix it, pull up to me.
Yeah, you just want to twit up. You just want to look at twit up and not pull out and do over. Can I ready for that yet?
No.
Remember braid it, braid. You just
No.
want to look at twit up, man. Yeah, backside. Why me don't know the turn on that girlfriend? Me don't know who the turn on that girlfriend. Who the turn this lady in a hot girlfriend.